Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my Kenma makeup from Haikyuu. This was highly requested over on my TikTok, so I thought I would bring it here. Don't mind how awkward I am, please. So let's get started. Get that gnarly hair out of the way, and we're going to start with foundation. We're going to start with putting on a thin layer of foundation to even out the skin tone. I'm using a wet sponge, but you could use a brush as well, and make sure to blend that out completely. Dab, 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 dab. Lots of dabbing. And we're still dabbing. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer. We're going to start with making some triangles underneath of your eyes, a line down your nose and on your forehead, and then along the jawline to brighten it, and then blend that all in. And now that we have absolutely no features and look like a blank canvas, we are going to put on some powder to set that all in. I like to be pretty generous with this step because I like to make sure that my foundation doesn't move. Now for the happy phase of contouring. We're going to put some color back into your face. I don't have an actual contour palette, so I use eyeshadow and it works just as well. Use a shade a couple shades darker than your skin tone. We're going to contour the nose, eyebrow bone, and blend that out, and the cheekbones, blend that out, and the jawline, and blend, 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 and then more contouring of the jawline, and then your temples. It helps to make your face look more masculine. And now it's for eye makeup featuring my e.l.f. palette. First, we are going to go in with the black and fill in the eyebrows. Kenma has what I like to call nuggy brows, so you're going to make them short and pointy. You can see me here forgetting what I'm doing and accidentally making the brow the wrong shape. And here's the sudden realization that I have messed up. Luckily, it's an easy fix. Now, if you have not shaved the ends of your eyebrows off like I have, you can always just fill in your eyebrows regularly. Just make sure that they are thin and not super thick. And now we have the zoomy speed time, where I finish the other eyebrow. Smexy nuggy brows. Now we are going to add a base for the eyeshadow, and you're going to use a color in your skin tone and cover your entire lid. This makes it easier to blend colors into it. I like to keep Kenma's makeup pretty neutral, so we're going in with a soft brown shade, and we are going to bring that into the crease. This is to define the crease and make your eyes look a little more deep set. Next, I'm taking a slightly darker brown than the first brown, and we're just going to put that right in the outer corner of my eye, and again into the crease a little bit just to make it a little darker. Then taking a fluffy blending brush and blending that in. And that is it for eyeshadow. Now we are going to move on to eyeliner, my least favorite part. I am using two different eyeliners. First, we're going to use a felt tip eyeliner with a pointy tip. I don't know how to explain that. And that is how we are going to draw in the wing, as well as defining the corner of the eye, because Kenma has very squared off eyes. I bring the eyeliner to about the middle of my eye, and then we're going to do the other side. Getting things to match up is always the funnest part. Sorry for my zoomed in face. I was trying to get close to my mirror that was right next to my phone. And now we're going to go in with a differently shaped eyeliner pencil. It's just the way that it works for me. This one is also felt tipped, and I like it because it's got a little bit darker black color, and you're just going to drag that all along the top of your eyelid and kind of make it a little bit thick. I really enjoy the look of a very well-defined eyeliner drawn in eye. That's just my personal style. Other people have different styles, but I like this look. Derpy facial expression, go! Now we're going to take a white eyeliner pencil. This one is a crayon-based one, I think, and just going to color in your eye to make the eye look bigger and go all along your waterline. Hopefully that doesn't make you uncomfortable. In case it wasn't apparent, I like to have big anime boy eyes. And we're almost done, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I like to add a little bit of color to the bottom of my eyes. I think it looks nice and it just adds nice little aesthetic. So I go in with a red eyeshadow and just put it right there underneath of the line that I've drawn. It also helps to accentuate your eyes. Now to go in with a shimmery eyeshadow and add in some pretty little highlights. I like to add it into the corner of my eye to help brighten your eyes, make them look even bigger, because obviously I like big eyes. Then we're going to add a dab to the nose and kind of buff that in, and then as well as onto the top of the nose to help highlight that, and then under your eyes to make them, you know, pretty and highlight those nice, lovely cheekbones. Gotta pop, you know? I like to give Kenma a little bit of extra color, so I add in a very light dusting of a corally colored blush, because I like the effect. I also dust a very little bit underneath of my nose. We are going for an animated look after all. Now to set your makeup with some setting spray. This is important so that way your makeup doesn't move on you while you are going to your photo shoot, filming, going to con, anything like that. I like to put my contacts in this point, but you can also put them in before. It's really up to you. Wow, look at how yellow those are. I really love these contacts. They're from Uniqso. I will add a link to where I got the contacts in the cards below. And now we're putting on my very cheap Kenma wig that has been through so many restylings and you cannot buy anymore, so I cannot leave a link for you. I'm sorry. Just need to brush my wig out really quickly so that way it looks nice, you know, gotta situate myself. And here's the makeup look for you. Hope you enjoyed. And costume change. Ooh, look at that, a switch. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this helps. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I've already said that. Bye!